Jason was a talented young graphic designer living in New York City. He had big dreams, worked hard, and believed that with enough effort, he could build the life he always wanted. At 25, Jason landed his dream job at one of the top design agencies in Manhattan. Great pay, exciting projects, and an office with a skyline view. It felt like everything was finally falling into place. But just 6 months later, everything changed. The company faced unexpected losses, and Jason was among the first to be laid off. He was heartbroken. Why me? He thought, I give everything this job. He walked out of the office with a cardboard box in his hand and doubt in his heart. Bills were piling up. His confidence was crushed. He applied for dozens of jobs, but no one was hitting. One evening, sitting alone in his apartment, Jason called his mother. He, she listened quickly and said just one thing. Son, I know I hurt, but remember everything happens for a reason. Sometimes the door that closes is pushing you towards something better. Jason did not fully believe it, but he held on to those words like a lifeline. With no job to go to, Jason started designing for fun again, just like he used to before he joined the corporate world. He posted his art on Instagram every day. Slowly, people began to notice his followers grew. Then one day, a famous fitness brand messaged him. They loved his style and wanted to collaborate. Jason was shocked. Me, why would a big brand want my work? But he took the opportunity. That project led to another, then another. Within a year, Jason had this on freelance business. He was working with clients for all work over the country, setting his own schedule and making more money than he ever had at his dream job. One afternoon, while sipping coffee in a quiet cafe, Jason smiled. He realized something important. If I had not lost that job, I never would have discovered what I'm truly capable of. That setback was my greatest blessing in discourse. Later that year, Jason was invited to speak at a design conference, standing on a stage in front of hundreds of young creatives. He sighed, losing my job felt like the worst thing that could happen to me. But now I know it was the best thing because it forced me to go, to trust myself, and to chase what I truly love. Moral of the story: sometimes life does not go according to plan. You may feel stuck, rejected, or broken, but what seems like the end might just be a new beginning. Trust the journey. Believe that every struggle has a purpose. Because in the end, everything truly happens for a reason, even the painful parts.